up, everyone? I'm Janine, and welcome to another edition of Inspired by Juju. We finally made it to our spring and summer segments. We've been waiting so patiently to show you some of our outdoor spaces, but as you know, with pollen season, we did have to hold up a little bit. But once again, outdoor spaces are so important, especially for us. We love bringing the indoors outdoors, especially if you have large families, you love to entertain. And our three spaces that we have, which we're going to show you, are our front porch, our patio, as well as our deck. And if you like anything as far as some of the decorations that we have, even the furniture, definitely check out the link below. Also, later on in the season, we're going to travel to Juju's home, and Juju's home is absolutely magnificent. It's an absolute outdoor oasis. I do not have a green thumb, but Juju has hundreds of different plants that you'll see, as well as a Japanese koi pond. So definitely take some notes, pour yourself a nice tall glass of lemonade, sit back, relax, and be inspired.
Early in the season, we decided to upgrade on an outdoor dinette set. I found exactly what I was looking for at Lowe's. Water-resistant, comfortable captain chairs and a sturdy table for 6. We also upgraded on a market-style patio umbrella. It's solar-powered with LED lights that provide energy-efficient lighting. This was a great purchase on Amazon for under $300. One of my favorite places to relax and unwind is under my tropical-inspired pergola. I love tropical decor. You can do so many levels, from bold, fun, chic, or exotic, and there are a variety of color palettes to choose from. I chose to go with turquoise and different colors of green. Of course, tropical looks are not complete without rattan furniture pieces, woven jutes, storage baskets, and of course, tropical greenery. Our nighttime experience gives a laid-back, cozy, intimate, relaxing vibe. Ideal spaces are used to converse with our guests, whether you are at the dining table, bar nook, fire pit, or patio. Place settings set the tone of preparing guests with our savory appetizers, refreshing drinks, or an entire meal. Place settings were purchased at Christmas Tree Shop and at Home Goods. Always remember, candles and floating votives give a great ambiance to any table. A highlight to our nighttime entertainment is our tripod stand purchase from Amazon for under $75. Our charming and inviting front porch sets the theme of modern Southern living furnishing with interior influence. Flowers and plants are displayed in clay-inspired planters from At Home. They blend seamlessly into the porch setting and complement the neutral colors that flow in with the throw pillows and blankets on our rocking chairs. Don't worry, that is a rubber snake. It's used to scare off the birds from nesting in our large ferns. What's a large front porch without large ferns? With plush furnishings of 2 large wicker club chairs, you can elevate your traditional porch into a vibrant place to relax and lounge while feeling a nice summer breeze. Assorted flowers and foliage bring life and color on and in front of the front porch and brings cohesion to all the flowers and plants that I love.